Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Honda Prelude making a return to the UK. Rumor has it it's coming back as a hybrid sports coupe. It's been a long time since the Honda Prelude has been in the UK. It's been since 2001, but now it's returning in a hybrid sports coupe. So hopefully it should be an absolute fire because I love the old Preludes. Obviously, it's generated a lot of buzz with the old enthusiasm of the old model Preludes. Obviously, if Honda want to lend me one to give it a go, I'll be more than gracious to do it. Judging by the photos I've seen, we can expect it to have like a swooping aerodynamic design that hopefully promises the excellent performance that Honda normally bring. Obviously, you know with Honda and their emphasis on the driver, so hopefully it should be a driving machine. Obviously, it's going to have a hybrid powertrain, and then the details, I reckon it's going to have like the new shape Civics EHEV petrol hybrid system. This will hopefully be a 2-litre petrol engine with 2 electric motors, hopefully a blend of power and efficiency. And with the new Prelude coming out, it shows a commitment back to the driver for Honda, and it shows that they're committed to innovation and development of the brand, and hopefully delivering more exciting cars that hopefully the drivers will love, hopefully with a nice sleek design and driver focused. Let's be fair that the Honda are hoping it's going to be a hit, but they brought back a Prelude in a similar way of how the old one was, so I'm sure it's going to be a hit. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Thanks.